Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to perform a deep clean of the printhead on an HP printer. So basically, when you're doing a deep cleaning, it's going to be acting as a way to clean the nozzles a bit and hopefully improve the print quality. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in control panel, best match, should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up at the top right to category view, and then select hardware and sound. Underneath devices and printers, select advanced printer setup. Select your HP printer from the list, and then select where it says printer properties. Now you want to select the device settings tab, and where it says cleaning page and the start button, click on the start option. So this utility is designed to remove excess paper and toner particles that can accumulate on the fuser assembly and rollers and thereby extend the life of the printer. Please follow the steps below to begin the cleaning process. So go ahead and make sure the device is turned on, and then just make sure that there is copy paper installed, and then select OK to begin the cleaning process at this point. Again, make sure your printer is turned on. Okay, so once it has concluded, select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.